Visual Studio Code is a text and code editor. So let's get into managing the UI. On the leftmost side, you have the activity bar. At the bottom, you have the status bar. This is the status bar at the bottom. And then here you have the sidebar, and this is the editor area. And then you have a panel with the terminal usually open up here. So these are the 4 or 5 main key items which you use. So the editor is where all your files sit and you have your code which you edit. Then the sidebar is basically either the explorer or search, anything you want to be running in here. Then the status bar gives you status of the current files you're working on. The activity bar lets you switch to debugger, git, search and all that. And panels of course switch you between terminal, debug console, output, problems and a host of other things which we'll explore. So one thing Visual Studio Code allows you to do is edit 2 files at the same time. So do command backslash or control backslash, and you can use Alt in Windows, I guess, so you can have 2 files open at the same time like this, and that's pretty handy when you're trying to edit 2 things at the same time or comparing diffs. Although if you make a change here, it'll make a change on the left side as well because it's the same file. So it's better if you're working on 2 separate files, unless you want that. You can switch between different tabs that you've opened up. So you'll see this is gray, this is gray, this is white. I can do command 1, 2 and 3 and switch between them. You have a mini map. So it's usually, let me show you. So this is the mini map, but this is a very small file, so you can't really see it. So this is a longer file, and you see the mini map which helps you jump to different code pieces. Then we've got the Explorer, which is the tab here. It's very handy. It's like an advanced version of Explorer, like the regular Finder that you have in the Mac, or the My Computer search which you get on Windows. So here you can create folders. So let's say we're currently in Project Java folder. I can have a new folder. Call it, QA, right? So you have a folder here, and then I can move files, copy files. So let's say I copy this file and I go to QA, I can paste it in, right? So that's simple things which you can do even in the regular Finder, but here it's a little bit better because you don't have to open up Finder and you can do it directly from VS Code.